like I said, it's not a get rich quick scheme, but trust me, there's simple household items around your house. $700,000 in the last month I've sold of books and book related things, educational stuff. More. This is just one business. You could sell, I know people selling candles making 100 grand. I know guys selling candles, I think they're gonna make a couple of $1 million. Everywhere you look. So step number one to making money online, find a household item that's interesting to you. My mom's visiting, say hello. You could sell tortillas, you could sell food, you could sell dishes, pots, pans. That's step number one. Find a simple household item that's related to what you do on a day-to-day basis. Like I said, I sold what did I sell in glasses? 1,300 today. And then this is just not showing Amazon. Amazon did about 3,000 or 4,000 a day, so about $5,000 a day. And I also do stuff related to sleeping well, because everybody's got a bed and got to sleep. So here's some cars. I bring these down from LA, where my main place is. This is a Rolls-Royce Dawn convertible, got the top up. This is a convertible Aventador. So I'll show you out here. One thing cool about this house, you can throw huge parties because you got a big front yard, and then there's 2 floors. I'll show you. So step number one, find a simple household item that you use every day that interests you. Could be really simple. Go simple. Step number 2, decide if you want to sell using a website that you can build on Shopify, ClickFunnels, or you can just use Amazon. You need to decide between those 3. There's the upstairs. There's 2 bedrooms up there. This place has 5 bedrooms and 6 bath. Step number 3, okay, you got to connect them and you got to get a way to collect money. So you can either use Stripe, Braintree, or if you sell on Amazon, they have built-in, you can process through them. I don't recommend PayPal as your only source. Sometimes, depends. Got my books. Like I said, these books making $700,000 a month. Thank you, books. Simple household items. You can make money selling art pieces, tables, chairs. You didn't realize your whole life's full of money-making opportunities if you know how to sell online. So step number 4, this is a crazy looking bathroom in here. I don't know why they made it so gold, but Goldfinger bathroom. Step number 4, once you got those, is you need to white label the products. So you don't want to have to create, like if you want to sell glasses, or if you want to sell cosmetics, or if you want to sell tables, you don't want to actually manufacture them, at least not to start. So there's a simple way that you can use what's called white labeling or drop shipping to take products that people have and put your own label and brand on it. With that said, you can be up and going with those 4 steps. Literally, if you start early enough today, you can do it today.
Waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by. Now